Today we're unboxing something truly exciting. The Vivo X Fold. Vivo's premium foldable smartphone. Let's lift the lid and... there it is. The Vivo X Fold in all its futuristic glory. Look at that shimmer. The craftsmanship is impressive. And the folded form, it feels solid, premium, and surprisingly compact for a foldable. The vegan leather back gives it a classy, grippy feel. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the fold. Smooth hinge zero-gap design. And just like that, you're looking at an expansive 8.03-inch AMOLED display. And don't miss that ZEISS branded quad camera setup on the back. 50MP main, ultra-wide, telephoto and periscope. Ready to capture just about anything. Powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, with a 120Hz refresh rate on both the outer and inner displays. This phone is made for multitasking and media. In the box, we've also got a 66-watt fast charger, a premium case, USB-C cable, and the usual paperwork. Everything you need to get started. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe channel to get more unboxing. Thanks for watching.